Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender D300 X-Dynamic HSE, finished in Carpathian Grey metallic paint, with 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the rear bumper we have the electrically deployable tow bar. Looking now behind the rear door, we can see the load space with the 40/20/40 rear folding seats. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside. We have the Ebony Windsor leather seats with centre armrest, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents and USB sockets. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we have the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and we have the heated and cooled front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control and the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the heated and cooled seat controls, as well as the 3D surround camera display and the towing assist. On the centre console we can see the climate controls with the electric ride-height buttons and the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.